the first time I've done a terrarium, and I thought it'd be a cute little fun project for me to do while I have my seedlings growing and getting ready for the spring. I'm just gonna kind of try to figure this thing out as I go. I did look at a few YouTube videos to see how you're supposed to do it, but it's so many videos. I'm just gonna go with the flow, and if I mess up, I'll learn from my mistakes. That's the type of person that I am. So I wanted to do a layer of rocks at the bottom so I can have my soil drain. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some regular potting mix, just a little bit, to put the succulents in. I'm going to use this little piece of cardboard template to put my soil, and hopefully it stays in place. I just want the dirt in the middle. I put me some regular potting mix in a cup. Try my best to, let me put a few more rocks in here just to have a better drainage system down at the bottom. So you guys come back to see results and see what end up happening with this. Hopefully it don't kill off my plants more than what I've done. I've had one of these plants for about 6 months, and I done killed off most of the plant. So let's see. So some dirt came out a little bit at the bottom, but it's okay. I'm gonna put the sand around this dirt mound, and I already took my plants out of the pots, and I kind of moistened up the roots a little bit. So I'm going to put them down in here. This is not an easy task, but I'll try to make it work without doing too much harm to my plants. This is the one that I had for about 6 months, and the poor thing is the little leaves just died off around them, but it's still hanging in there. So I'm gonna try my best to not kill it off. Try my best. So I pretty much have them in here how I want them to be in the terrarium. And I'm gonna put a little bit more soil down in here to give them some more security, for them to be more stable. So I have my succulents inside the little template that I created, and I put some soil in the middle. And I was trying to figure out how I'm going to get this sand around this template. So I just got my funnel, and I'm just going to see how this goes, because I want the sand to go around. I want the sand to go around the template. So far, I got the sand to go around the template. Sometimes you just gotta figure it out, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting sand around. Not sure if I want to use all of this sand, but I just may do that. Try not to disturb my little area here. I want to keep my soil and my plant in the middle, and just kind of shake the soil around. So far so good. And then next I'm gonna put rocks, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting the sand around the flower bed in the middle. and go to the next step. So I have all my sand in place. I'm just trying to get my soil adjusted in between the plants and actually tuck them in good in the soil before I take this cardboard. Oops. Uh-oh. I might need to get a little bit more soil to put in here. Just a little bit more for some security. And then I'm going to put a few more rocks. And then I'm going to try, I don't want to bury this cardboard in here too much. Uh-oh. Messing up already. I don't really want, I'm going to put some moss around the soil part. It's okay, that fell down. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish decorating around a few rocks, and I have some big rocks that I want to put in here as well. Just put a few on top of there, going around the whole area. Just like this is my first time, so I'm just kind of doing a little bit here, a little bit there, trying to go with the flow. I'm pretty much going to use everything that came in this Terrarium kit. I bought this actual bowl, Terrarium bowl, off of Amazon. I think it was like $20. Pretty nice size. Very pretty. Then I have some white rocks that I'm going to sit on top of these rocks. And then I'll use some moss to put around the plant, the actual plants. So this is how it looks so far. So far, so good, I think. I think it may be time to take this out before I can't take it out. So far, this is what my terrarium look like. So far, this is what I have for my terrarium. I have a few rocks that I want to put in here. Not sure where I want to put them, but I think I should put my moss in first and then put my rocks in. So it don't look bad. Don't look bad at all. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this moss in here just to give it some more green. Maybe I'll pull it apart a little bit and give it a little greenery. I have no clue what I'm doing, guys. I'm just playing it by ear. I think I'll put my rock. Kind of want to put, maybe that's too much right there. I'll put a little bit in the front and in the back, just a little bit. I don't want to do too much of this because I don't know what I'm doing. I'll put a little bit here just to give it a little bit of greenery. I'll put one of the rocks here. And I'll put the other rock maybe over here, maybe. I don't know. This could change. So yeah, this is my terrarium. Gotta clean it up a little bit. I got all kinds of moss and everything on top of my flowers, but I'm gonna go ahead and water it. And yeah, come back for updates and see how well it's doing or how well it's not doing.